up, queens and kings, and welcome back to another video. I know you guys are probably thinking like, bitch, where the hell have you been? And to honestly answer your question, I kind of got sick a couple weeks ago, about 2 weeks ago. I got sick. I got the flu pretty badly. The flu has really been kind of kicking people's ass lately. But yeah, it got me. I was down and out, and then I couldn't film. And then when I recuperated, it got better. I still wasn't in a place to film because I just wasn't, you know, all the way there. But now I'm back into it. Christmas in a couple of days. As you can see, my backdrop has changed a little bit, so I'm kind of trying to make this more of a festive vibe. And yeah, I'm back to give you guys a holiday makeup tutorial, as you guys can see from the title of this video. I think what I'm gonna do is kind of do my base off camera like I did before, do the base off camera, and then I'll come back on. I probably have one eye done already, and we can just focus on doing one eye and finishing it up, and going from there. I want to wish you guys all a happy holidays, and I'm having, like I said, always have so much fun creating these videos. Even though I haven't posted a video in a couple weeks, I think it's been about 2 weeks, I have noticed people who have been subscribing to my channel, and I just want to say I greatly appreciate that. That means the world to me. You guys are motivating me to like make my content a lot better, my quality a lot better. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna go ahead and get up into this video. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you a part of the queendom. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my base off camera and most likely one eye off camera, and I'll come back and give you the whole entire finished look. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you back here like in like a couple seconds. Okay. All right, I am back, you guys. As you guys can see, I did one eye off camera, and I'm gonna look at this. This like brush has like hair on the back of it. Anyway, as you guys can see, I went ahead and did one eye off camera. This is the look that we're going for today. It's very like Christmassy, also very patriotic. It's really weird, like red, white, blue in a way, but I also want to give you guys just like a blown out eye for, you know, a holiday look. Got some diamonds and sparkles popping off as well. All right, so to start off, first we're gonna do is go ahead and put a primer down. So we're gonna put a base down for the eyeshadows to blend on top of. But we wanna first, you know, kind of carve out the eyebrow and lay down a foundation so that we can go ahead and start building the colors on top of that, okay? So I'm gonna take my little flash palette here. This is the one, you can get this on Amazon for like 20 bucks. Sketch out the brow, so we're gonna, just like that. We're gonna go ahead and blend. When you do this part, just be super careful that you don't mess up your glue job. You wanna be very careful with this, but you also wanna get the color on there, the pigment. So go ahead and like, get on there. You're gonna see some holes, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that. Bam. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take a fluffy brush like this. It already has red on it because I just use it for this eye. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into that red color. So I'm gonna swirl our brush around the red paint, like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and just blend that all over the lid. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and go into the Alexis Stone palette. Revolution Makeup X Alexis Stone. Alexis Stone, like I said, is one of my... she's one of my favorite YouTubers here. It's very creative. I'm going to take our Instinct palette. I'm going to go ahead and take the red shade right here. Cool. Now I'm gonna go into a deeper shade, which is like this dark, you can mix these two, the dark red, this plum color here. Alright, so now that we have the red there, we're going to create a little bit more depth with the red. So right now it's really red, it's blown out, yeah, but we want to create a little bit more dimension. So we're going to go in with this purple and black and this like stone color here. So we're gonna swirl our brush with this blue here. We're gonna literally just like take it and then we're gonna like smudge it. Take the blue shade and blend. Alright, the angle might have changed a little bit because I think my background was crooked. I don't know. But now what I'm going to go ahead and do is, now that I have that blue laid down, we want to add, of course, more dimension. So we're going to go in with the black cream. Swirl our brush in here. Like that, like that, like that. Okay, I'm such a mess. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is take my Cressida glitter gel from Slayfire Cosmetics. Very amazing glitter gels. Dab the glitter over the eyelid. Very simple. Okay, I ran out of eyeliner, so I'm gonna have to finesse this some way. I'm just gonna take that that cream black paint and make eyeliner because I totally ran out. To kind of set that in place, I'm gonna take some black from the James Charles palette because it's the only, they have like a really jet black. I'm gonna kind of set that in place and make it a little darker. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. These eyes nice and, you know, together. We're now, what am I doing? Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take some 3-in-1 lashes to go ahead and, like, you know, make this look a little bit more, you know, lashful. So to adhere the lashes, I don't have any lash glue. I've been like running out of products. I probably should go shopping to get some more products. Anyway, I'm gonna use Spirit Gum to go ahead and adhere my lashes. Let that dry. I have the ceiling fan on. Let's let the ceiling fan work some magic on this lash. Alright, now that this lash is on, I went ahead and put some stones on my eyes. Y'all know that I love stones. I love the sparkle. I love the way they look when the light hits them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some stones on this eye to match this eye. And of course, I'm gonna use some Spirit Gum to adhere them because I don't have my lash glue or my Prozit. Ew. Alright, we are back. As you can see, I went ahead and popped in my other contact. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is complete the rest of my eyebrow. As you can see, this eyebrow was filled in. This one is still a little, how can we say, dead. So we're going to fill her in. Alright. So when we get to the front of the brow, as you guys can see over here, it's a blue color. I'm gonna go ahead and take that blue from this flash palette, and we're going to blend the blue into the black. And it's gonna blend kind of easily because they're both creams. I didn't set them yet. Bitch, this look is sickening already. I can't even go for it. Alright, as you guys can see, the eyes are done. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just do the rest of my face. So, like, you know, the rest of this video is going to be a speed through. So I want you guys just to, you know, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this, you know, this tutorial. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a wig. This actually turned out a lot better than I thought. That's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bake under my cheek and I'm gonna let that sit. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a wig and I'll be right back with the final transformation. Alright you guys, that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am super obsessed with this look. I know I always say that I'm obsessed with the look when I'm done with it, but this look is just so beautiful to me. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is a holiday inspired look. I went ahead and did some red and some blues, added some sparkles. My backdrop has, you know, some little Christmas feel to it. Very glam, very wintry. Yes. Oh, I'm in love. Oh, and this hair. I know you guys are probably gagging on this wig. This wig was styled by thelomaprietta here in San Francisco. Girl, you did a fantastic job on this wig. This wig is beautiful. Like the way it moves, like I can't wait to perform in it. Like I'm legit sitting here right now and it's like 12 o'clock at night or 12 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, bitch, like I want to go out, but I can't go out because it's like, no one's gonna be there and I'm not gonna go out, just come right back home. And like, if I go out, I wanna be out. I wanna turn on, I wanna drink, I wanna like, hey, let's do it. You know what I mean? I don't wanna get out there and be like, hi guys, bye guys. Like, no. I wanna go out there and like be out there. You know what I mean? Anyway, that's neither here nor there. This wig is everything. This dress that I have on was designed and made by Kipper here in San Francisco as well. I will link both Kipper and thelomaprietta's Instagram accounts in the description box. So you guys go ahead and check them out if you're in the Bay Area and you wanna look up some stuff. Or well, you know, inquire about, you know, hair or an outfit. And yeah, these nails I made myself. I actually have a video here on my YouTube channel that will show you exactly how I make these nails, and you can kind of just switch them up. This here is a different design than what I made in the video. However, you can apply the techniques that I teach in the video and create your own designs on your nails and just be that much more of a boss, you know what I mean? Boss up. Yeah, that is it. I'm not gonna sit here and keep dragging it on. I hope you guys like this look. Here's a little bit of a close up. Don't block the lace. Let me actually stop. I need to stop giving myself all these disclaimers. Like, you know what? Got my highlighter. You know what I mean? Oh, the glitter that I have on my face is, you know, well, the glitter that I'm on my eyelids is from Slayfire Cosmetics. This is Cressida glitter gel on the lids. And under my eyes, I have this beautiful glitter that I got from this amazing YouTuber here. Her channel is Glam Goth, and her makeup line, I believe, is Glam Goth Beauty. She is a fantastic makeup artist and an amazing YouTuber. Her looks are totally my aesthetic. As you guys all know that I go for that glam, that gothy, that very grungy, eccentric look, and that's like literally her channel, and that's the type of looks that she does. But enough of that. Let's get to the glitter. She has these beautiful glitters. This one I believe is called Aquarius. That's in my eyes. If I'm wrong, please don't come for me. I'm gonna go ahead and link the name of this glitter down below. And I'll also link to her channel as well so you guys can check her out. She's absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much, Glam Goth, for creating these fucking amazing glitters. Like, bitch, I am sparkling from the high heavens or deep down under. A mess. But yeah, that's what this glitter is from. And yeah, you guys, like, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here and take some pictures so I can post them on Instagram. Again, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who watched my videos. I see the new subscribers that I've been getting and it makes me feel so good. So let's keep the family growing. And guess what? If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up because that definitely helps me out a lot. Also, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed already because I would love to have you a part of my my queendom, my family, all that, you know, all that zhush. Anyway, I'm gonna get up out of here. I will see you guys in the next video. Happy holidays, and I will definitely see you before the new year. And yeah, bye you guys. I love you all. You guys are amazing. Bye.